Welcome to Microsoft Excel training. Let's examine together how we can do copy and paste operations in Microsoft Excel in our English version. There are several different ways to copy and paste in Excel. You can either use the keyboard, use the right button, or use a combination of keyboard and mouse. There are different methods for different purposes. After selecting a specific area, for example our headings, the most common method of copying is to press Ctrl+C on the keyboard. When you press Ctrl+C, you will see animated ants rotating around the area you selected, and after coming to any place, press Ctrl+V, or if you want, when you press the Enter key, you will see that these places are stuck. Another equivalent of Ctrl+5 is the Enter key. Look from here, let's clean it up. I came to this area, I pressed the controller and I came here. You can also press the Control and key. You can also press the Enter key from the keyboard. This is how you paste the values here. Another method used in copying is to use the right button after selecting this region. When I press the right button, I select Copy from the Fold and Copy Options, that is, from the Cut and Copy options. After reaching a point where I want to paste this value, I press right again, and from here paste different values from the test office, that is, Paste Options. I have the chance to paste using the options. When I come here, normal plain paste values, paste, formulas, paste. There are different options such as turning horizontal, vertical, and horizontal. If the value we select here is a textual expression, for example, look, I selected the text, I said copy, I come to this area, click the right button, and when you paste the leftmost value and select the leftmost value, you will see that it is pasted here. Another method used in copy and paste is to use the right button. See, I select the headings again. Our cut, copy and paste options in our Home tab. Look at the copy, cut, copy and paste option here. We print copies from here. I came here. When I press paste again, I see that these values are stuck. If you come here and press the arrow next to paste, you will be presented with different paste options. From here, paste as hyperlink, paste as value. Here are the options. When you paste, there are options such as subject, there are options such as development subject, there are different methods that we can use in copying and pasting. Another method is like this. I chose this region. If we want to move it, if you come to the border and hold it from the border and pull it down, you can move it and place the title, but you can do the same process by pressing Control. If you do, notice that the thin plus appears. I press Control. After pressing Control, I come to the limit. When you hold the border and pull it downwards and release it, you will see that the value here is copied. This is also a different method used. Another method we can use here is that I chose headings. If I press the left button from the border, I move it. But if I press the right button and pull this down, and when I release it, I can use the options on the right button. Here is move here, that is copy the stone, copy here, move here, just copy the values. It is very useful if you are copying the formula. We have different options such as copy the formats, create a hyperlink, paste a link, create a hyperlink here. If you choose copy, you will copy it here, not here. This is a nice feature. Let's do an example like this, for example here. I come in is equal to the value here times 10%, and I apply a formula and select it downwards. Now, if we are going to copy the values here to J, for example, we press the right button, we say copy. When you come here and click paste, you will see that this place is 0. From where? Because when you look at the formula here, it takes 10% of F2, while when you come here, it takes 10% of I2. That is, it is 10% of the cell on one side. For this, we need to use the paste value feature. We select the formula like this, right-click copy, we come here, right button, we can copy the 1, 2, 3 valuable expression here and select its values and copy it here as a value, or we can use a different method. I choose here. I come to the limit again. After reaching the limit, I press the right button, hold it down and press it. I move it to J and release it, and in the window that opens, this copy is not copied. The copy at the bottom in the third row pastes the 10 S values, that is, only the values here, by using the Paste Values option. As you can see, there are 6 types of copy and paste methods used in Eczema. As you can see, these are features that vary depending on your purpose, what you do. For example, let's copy the value here again. I come here, right button. When you come to the special paste options here, there are many special paste options in return. We have different options such as paste all formulas, paste values, paste formats, paste descriptions, paste data validation. Here we have different options such as paste the source theme, preserve lines, preserve column widths, preserve formulas and number formats or values. And we have different pasting options such as preserve number formats. If you want to copy the same format here, let's try, for example, let's paste this by saying keep the format here. Look, it took the same form as here, except for the arrival of the line took it apart. When you write something, you will see that the text is white and has the same format as here. That is, it has the same average text size. I select this place to delete. Be careful, I do not delete the line. I clear the values here by clicking Clear All from Clear on the Home tab. These are our copy and paste options. We also have special paste options. You can use Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, Ctrl, for example. You selected the headings or, for example, the values here. You will copy it here. After selecting here, you do not need to press Ctrl-C or Ctrl-V again. Come to the line. After reaching the line, press the right button and release it after pulling the right button to the desired point. Copy the stone here and solve this quickly by making whichever value you want from the other options, whichever suits you. But if you are writing an article, for example, if you are typing a text here and your hand is on the keyboard, use the arrows to see. I came by using the up arrow. Control, password, together with the right arrow on the left and right side arrows of the keyboard. I selected the title. I came with the controller without taking a mouse inside. You will see the paste when you come to the ground and press double. When you paste the values here, it is completely up to you. If your hand is on the mouse, use the mouse options. If your hand is on the keyboard, you can also be fast by using the keyboard options. You can do data entry and copy-paste operations in a way that is very easy to use. There are copy and paste options that vary depending on your working habits. You can use whichever is easier for you.